how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So if you're someone that accidentally deleted something or you deleted it but you wanted to recover it, it's really simple to do. So go to your TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to choose one of my own posts here. So we're just going to go ahead and click this one and go to the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner, and then swipe all the way to the left and hit delete. As you see here, it will say restore post within 30 days from your activity center in settings. So we're going to hit delete. And as you see, it is now off of my page. We will go to the three bars at the top right-hand corner and go to your settings and privacy. So from here, as it said on the warning, go to your activity center. And from here, once it loads, you want to go down to recently deleted and go ahead and restore this post. Now, it's important to know it's only 30 days. So go ahead and click the post. Go ahead and hit restore. Restore this post. And that's it. Go back to your profile to check. And then your post should come back, and it will come back with all of its stats as well.